Most Samsung remote issues are super easy to fix, and I'm about to share the hacks that will have yours working like new in no time. If you're like many Samsung TV owners, you've probably experienced some frustrating issues with your remote control. Buttons not responding, the remote not pairing with your TV, or just a general feeling of annoyance every time you try to change the channel. These problems can really disrupt your viewing experience. I've been there too, struggling to get my Samsung remote to work properly. But over time, I've discovered some simple fixes that have resolved these issues. The goal of this video is to share those practical solutions with you. The fixes I'll be sharing are based on common problems that many Samsung remote users face. By the end of this video, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix your remote control issues. Let's start with the basics. One of the most common issues is unresponsive buttons. You've probably tried pressing the buttons multiple times, only to get frustrated when nothing happens. Another issue is connectivity problems. You might have tried pairing the remote with your TV multiple times, but it just won't connect. Sometimes, the issue can be as simple as a dead battery. But other times, it might be a bit more complicated. So, what can you do to fix these issues? Let's dive into some troubleshooting tips. First, checking the batteries is a great place to start. Make sure they're not dead or low on power. Replace them with fresh ones if needed. Next, ensure that there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV. Sometimes, objects in the way can interfere with the signal. You should also try restarting your TV. This can often resolve connectivity issues. If you're still experiencing issues, try resetting the remote. You can do this by removing the batteries and pressing all the buttons for a few seconds. Another tip is to make sure that the remote is properly paired with your TV. Check your TV's settings to ensure that the remote is recognized. In some cases, you might need to repair the remote with your TV. This can usually be done through the TV's settings menu. If you're still having trouble, it's possible that there's an issue with the TV's infrared sensor. Additional issues can arise during troubleshooting, such as confusion with settings or unexpected behavior from the TV. For example, you might have accidentally enabled a setting that's causing issues with your remote. Or, your TV might be experiencing a software glitch that's affecting the remote's performance. In some cases, you might need to perform a factory reset on your TV to resolve the issue. One of the most effective and surprising fixes I've found is to use the Samsung SmartThings app as a remote control. This app can often resolve connectivity issues and provide a more reliable way to control your TV. To use the app, simply download it on your smartphone and pair it with your TV. The app can be used to control your TV, even if the physical remote is not working. Capturing the moment of success and the relief it brings is amazing. When you finally resolve the issue and your remote is working properly, it's a great feeling. In summary, the solutions discussed include checking batteries, ensuring line of sight, restarting your TV, resetting the remote, and using the Samsung SmartThings app. These fixes can often resolve common issues with Samsung remote controls. If you've tried these solutions and are still experiencing issues, I'd love to hear about it. Your experience can help others who might be facing similar problems. Don't forget to try out these fixes and see if they work for you. Leave a comment below with your results or experiences with remote problems. Suggest other video topics you'd like to see, and subscribe for more tech support content. If you have any other Samsung remote control issues, feel free to comment and I'll do my best to help. Your feedback is invaluable in helping me create more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.